We've all been there. You're wrapping up a crucial email, minutes from finishing a report, or about to finally beat that boss level, and then that dreaded icon pops up. The low battery warning. You've already done the obvious, dimmed your screen, closed a few dozen browser tabs, but your battery still seems to drain faster than an ice cream cone in July. In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain on 11 of these secret battery drainers and show you, step by step, exactly how to shut them down. By the end of this, your laptop will be smarter, more efficient, and will actually last when you need it to. Your screen is one of the single biggest power hogs on your entire laptop. We all know to lower the brightness, but there are a couple of deeper settings that can make a huge difference. Modern laptops often have these gorgeous, high refresh rate screens, 90 Hz, 120 Hz, or even more. It makes everything look incredibly smooth, but it also means your screen is redrawing itself twice as often as a standard 60 Hz display. That's a massive, unnecessary battery drain if you're just typing an email. Here's how to manage it. Go to Settings, System Display. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Choose a Refresh Rate. If your laptop has a dynamic option, pick that. It's the best of both worlds, automatically using a high refresh rate when you're scrolling and dropping to a low one when the screen is static. If you don't have that option, just manually switching to 60 Hz while on battery will give you a very noticeable boost in runtime. Windows loves its little visual flourishes, like transparent menus and slick animations. They look cool, but every single effect uses a tiny bit of GPU and CPU power. On their own, they're nothing, but together, they add up and contribute to that slow drain. For a snappier system and a happier battery, you can turn them off. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, and click on Visual Effects. From here, just toggle off transparency effects and animation effects. It's a small change, but these little optimizations are what separate a 4-hour battery from a 6-hour one. All right, we're not even halfway through, and you've already made some huge improvements. If these tips are helping you out, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We've still got more secrets to cover that will seriously boost your battery life. Windows power settings go way deeper than that little battery icon in the corner. There are hidden layers that control exactly how your hardware behaves. This one seems obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people leave their laptop unbalanced. And balanced is fine, but it's not designed to make your battery last as long as possible. To change it, go to Settings, System, Power, and Battery. You'll see a drop-down for power mode. When you're running on battery, make sure this is set to best power efficiency. This tells Windows that saving energy is the top priority, so it'll reduce background activity and dial back performance just enough that you won't notice. This is a more advanced, hidden setting that makes a massive difference. By default, Windows lets your CPU stay in a state of readiness, sipping power even when it's totally idle. We can fix that. Click the Start button, type Edit Power Plan, and open it. In the window that pops up, click Change Advanced Power Settings. You'll get a small, slightly intimidating new window. Scroll down until you find Processor Power Management. Expand it, then expand Minimum Processor State. Change the on-battery value to 5%. This tells your CPU to drop to a super low power state whenever it's not busy, saving a ton of energy. When you close your laptop lid, it usually goes to sleep. Sleep is a low power mode, but it's still using electricity to keep your RAM active so you can resume quickly. If you leave it sleeping overnight, you can easily lose 10% of your battery or more. Hibernate is different. It saves your session to your storage drive and then shuts the computer down almost completely, using virtually no power. To turn this on, go back to that Advanced Power Settings window. Find and expand Sleep, then expand Hibernate after. Set a time for on battery, something like 180 minutes. Now, if your laptop is asleep for 3 hours, it will automatically switch to Hibernate, saving you from that slow, silent battery death. Your laptop is always looking for ways to connect to the world, and that constant searching can be a quiet but steady drain. This is just a great habit to build. Your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth radios are always on, maintaining connections and scanning for new devices. If you're on a plane or just working on a document offline, there's no reason to leave them running. You can toggle these off in a second from the Quick Settings panel. Just click the network/sound icons in your taskbar and turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with a single click. Turning these off when you don't need them is one of the easiest ways to claw back some battery life. By making these tweaks, you've basically told Windows that when that power cord comes out, battery life is king. You should notice a real, tangible difference in how long your laptop lasts, freeing you up to work and play without always hunting for an outlet. Which one of these settings do you think was the biggest culprit for you? Let me know down in the comments. If this guide helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.